Hi, this is Matthew from Card Magic Tricks and Tips with this week's quick tip. In these next series of videos, we're going to be talking about what do I do if I mess up a trick. Now, in the past few videos, we've been talking about mindset. We've been talking about having some lines to remember. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about two ways of actually something physical you can show them if you mess up a trick. Now, the first way is a gag. You can have a card in your wallet. So you've messed up the trick, you don't know where the card is, you can't find it for them. So you tell them, well, look, I have a card in my wallet. And you take out your wallet and have a single card in there. And you show them the card, the back of the card's facing them. And say, would you be amazed if your card is on the other side of this card, the card that you named? They say, yes. They say, what is your card? And they say, 3 of diamonds. You turn it around, and on the other side of that card would have all 52 cards printed, so you can say, look, see right there's your card, the 3 of diamonds. And it's funny, it gets a little chuckle, and it just makes them believe that possibly that you did all this just for this gag at the end. In fact, if you're going to do that, I would really play it up as if this is the most amazing thing ever. That way, when you do get to the gag, you actually do get at least a somewhat good laugh out of it. A second way of handling this is to have in your pocket what is known as an invisible deck. Now, this deck, it's a trick you can buy at any magic shop. It allows you to have a card named, any card named. You take the cards out of the deck, and then one card is reversed inside the deck. And that card is their selected card. And because it can be any card, you can have this deck just sitting in your pocket and just as an out. Just as if you're not going to perform it as is, you can have it there just in case something happens. That way, you're performing, you don't know what the card is, you have them, you take out the invisible deck, you tell them, what was your card? Then you can take out the invisible deck and show them that the one card they named is one card reversed in the deck. So those are a couple ways of having outs to get out of a sticky situation. We have one more video come up in the series. So my name is Matthew Sawchuk from Card Magic Tricks and Tips. I can't wait to see you next time.